Hello, calculus fans. Okay, so let's try computing this derivative. Our function is f of x equals square root of x times cosine x. We'll use the product rule on this. Let's rewrite this expression before we use the product rule. Basically, we'll just rewrite the square root of x as x to the 1/2. And so now we can go ahead and use the product rule. Okay, so the product rule says that the derivative is the first function times the derivative of the second. So here we have to differentiate cosine x, and the derivative of that is negative sine of x. That's part of what we mentioned at the end of the last video. And then we have the second function times the derivative of the first. And the first function is x to the 1/2, so we use the power rule to get the derivative of that guy. So remember that the power rule tells us that you bring the power out in front and subtract 1 from the power, so that's how we get the 1/2 x to the minus 1/2. Now if you like, you can leave it like this, or you can just do, a little bit of simplification. If you just do a little bit of simplification, you might get something that looks like this. So you can rewrite all the 1/2 powers as square roots. This 1/2 power ends up going into the denominator because it's a negative 1/2 power. And I think this is pretty much all you can do with this expression. Okay, that's all for now.